Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks suspended account and recover access. Accounts may be suspended due to security checks, verification issues, or policy violations. So, try to understand why it happened. Then, check your email. PrizePicks usually sends an email explaining the suspension, so follow the instructions provided. Then reset your password, open the password tab, login, then tap forgot password. Then reset your password from there. If you still cannot access to your account, contact PrizePicks support and explain your issue clearly. Then wait for their response. Account recovery may take some time, so wait. Then that's how to fix the PrizePicks suspended account. Subscribe for more helpful app fixes.